Get in the car. Let's go. Get in the car. Get in the car right now. We gotta go. We gotta go. We don't want to get reported. That lady was looking at us.
That lady took a video. Let the darkness take control.
What is up, Lambros? SteveCurrington.com if you're new to the channel. Lambro Steve. And behind me is the not burned Lamborghini Huracan. And we're about to fire it up. It's been like, I don't even know, days. Emma, it's been days, hasn't it? Fire it up. See how loud this thing is. Because it's COVID-19 coronavirus social distancing and shutdown, but we need s'mores and we need firewood. So Emma's driving, we'll be back. All right, Emma's just driving, but she's driving with her new nails. Let me see them nails. Girl, you looks good.
I look like a girl.
Oh, girl, you looks good. I want you to back that thing up. You's a fine. I want you to back that thing up. Girl, who is you playing with? Back that thing up. Oh, that's my daughter. Probably shouldn't be acting like that.
Hyping me up like that.
Hyping up this chick. We're hyping her up.
Hyping
All right,
me up.
we're about to go get some firewood, and we getting some s'more stuff. So some graham crackers and some marshmallows and some Hershey chocolate. Yum. All right, guys. Look. You've seen the Joel video. You've seen the Joel the Veteran video. I just want you to know that this isn't even me parking like this. This is Emma.
Listen.
She's terrible.
Listen.
Do you want Joel to come over and screw with us? This is a terrible parking job. Look, I'm going to leave it here, but I'm just telling you right here. Like, this is bad. This is bad. Like, oh, grab my phone. This is like the worst parking job ever. She might even be in the back spots, too. This is like inviting haters like Joel to come screw with us. It's terrible, Emma.
Everyone knows my parking job is fantastic.
Hey, Emma. It is a one-way. Go down that way.
I'm going this way. I don't care what it says. I'm a rule breaker. Breaking the rules.
This is the problem. This says you're supposed to go one way, and you didn't. The grocery store has set up directional where you have to go down aisles a certain direction. We got caught going down the wrong way, and they threatened to kick us out.
That's so rude. It was rude.
They actually asked her to leave.
They did. They asked me to leave, and I said,
ridiculous.
You know what, sir? No, I'm not leaving.
You know what I said? I said, sir, you're standing a little close, okay? We're trying to distance ourselves here, and you're a little close. You need to back the up. And you know what he did? He backed up. Okay, people, we ventured out into the coronavirus, COVID-19 treacherous waters, and got some firewood and some s'mores, and Emma even broke a nail. What do you got there, girl? You break you a nail? Uh-oh, just put them on. That sucks. Now, here we have the life of a Lambo. Packing your stuff. Emma thinks that the wood won't fit in the car.
My wood too big for the car.
Say that again.
My wood too big for the car.
Firewood, that is. All right, open it up and let's see what fits.
Oh,
You
yeah.
got the remote.
I got the key.
Hold it down. There she blows.
There she goes.
Okay, this is one pack of wood. This isn't the first time I put wood in here, kid. 2-pack. What do you think we got? S'more stuff for s'mores. Does that fit too? And Mama's wine. Yeah, boom, boom. Now, to sneeze on the cart and put it up.
Dad.
Get in the car. Let's go. Get in the car. Get in the car right now. We gotta go. We gotta go. We don't want to get reported. That lady was looking at us.
That lady took a video.
She was videoing me doing it. She was videoing me sneezing. She was videoing me sneezing. It was a real sneeze. I couldn't control it. All right, people. Well, we went to Lowe's first. Lowe's closed at 7 p.m. They are closing early apparently because of coronavirus. Reasors was open, but they were requiring you to go one way down aisles. We were not practicing the one way. We didn't really realize what happened. We came in from the wrong way and it wasn't good. But we did accomplish our goal, Emma. We got the firewood, we got the s'mores marshmallows, and we got graham crackers. And according to the mom, Lambrini Sally, we already have chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
And why do we still have chocolate?
Halloween, she hid it from us. I asked her if we still had Kit Kats and she gave me a weird look and said, you don't need it.
Bah! She's trying to control our weight because we're getting so fat. Oh my God.
We both have a sugar addiction.
We have sugar addictions.
We can't control
Our
our
mom won't let us have chocolate. All right, well, we're heading back to the house. I don't know if we'll get any footage of the fire, but if we do, I shall show you. And if we don't, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on notifications. We have a new series behind the paywall coming. I will keep you posted on that. Siri, I'm not talking to you. And we'll see you in the next video. Later.